I love to compete and play on a daily basis. I went to play a tournament in August with much pain, and as soon as I got back, I said, this is it. I got to get something done. So I scheduled an appointment with Dr. Estrella. Within a week, we scheduled the knee replacement, and so we got it done.
He had severe cartilage damage to the knee, degeneration of his joint, which resulted in pain and dysfunction of his knee, limiting his ability for daily function and for sport activity. I always recommend first non-operative options, physical therapy, anti-inflammatory, steroid injections. And once he had failed those options, then we discussed surgical options, including the knee replacement.
My experience with the knee replacement has been overwhelming. I have been playing tennis without pain, better than before. And I go to all these tournaments, and everybody that sees me play, they just can't believe that I had a knee replacement. I said, there's no way you're moving this way. I said, yep, it worked out for me. I have a great doctor in Frisco, Dr. Kenneth Estrella. He did wonders for me. So it was very comforting to know that he was right there with me when I needed the help. And actually, I'm playing better than ever before because I feel no pain moving around the court.